Good morning students. Today we will discuss method of preparation of alcohols. So first method from alkenes. From alkene. That method known as acid catalyzed hydration. From alkene we discussed acid catalyzed hydration. It means in presence of acid on alkene, addition of water in presence of acid. In this way we can represent when acid ion present in water, it can represent like H3O plus also, H3O plus hydronium ion. And this reaction occurs, students, according to Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. In 11th class, we already discussed this rule. What is Markovnikov rule? When addition of any unsymmetrical alkene, then high electronegative element attached that carbon having lesser hydrogen, and hydrogen attached that carbon having slightly more hydrogen. So that is alkene should be unsymmetrical. If symmetrical, then no problem. We have to write one of the carbon is hydrogen, other one OH, if that is a symmetrical alkene. This reaction known as acid catalyzed hydration. It means addition of water on alkene, we get alcohol according to Markovnikov rule. If we explain by one example, in this way we can write a example, particular example 1, 2, 3 means prop 1ene, or we can say 1 propene. So this one is unsymmetrical alkene, addition of water in presence of acid, this reaction is reversible. We can write acid as a medium, or you can write H3O plus. When addition, then OH ion attached that carbon having lesser hydrogen. So we get propane 2-ol. In this reaction, we find according to Markovnikov rule, propane 2-ol. Now students, we will discuss its mechanism, how this reaction occurs, and very important mechanism. This mechanism comes in almost all papers, because in your syllabus at least there are 2 mechanisms. So out of 2 mechanisms, this one mechanism is most important, acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. So now we will explain its mechanism. This reaction occurs in 3 steps. In first step, what happens? Then water react with acid ion, form a hydronium ion, H3O plus. We can write its structure like, we know water structure and 2 lone pair, so its H attack in this place like this, it is structure. First step in mechanism, that is protonation. protonation of alkene and produce carbocation. After protonation of alkene, it's produce a carbocation. So how can it occurs? If we explain by a n-symmetrical alkene example like this, a different alkene, if we write here R and 2H, in place of R you can write CH3 or C2H5. We want to make it n-symmetrical. So addition of hydronium ion, in this what happen? This hydrogen is attached on this carbon. Which carbon attached? This attached on first carbon. Why? Because this carbon is more electron rich. Why? It's due to the inductive effect plus I. It's a repel electron. So this pi electron come towards this carbon, and ultimately then this pi electron attacked by this hydrogen, and so this water molecule is released out and we get a carbocation, and this reaction we represent reversible reaction. So we find a carbocation in this reaction, secondary carbocation, and water molecule release out. In first step, addition of a proton, or we can say protonation of alkene, because alkene is a electron rich system, pi electron. So this electron move towards proton, so attacking of a proton, and water molecule release out. By this reaction we get carbocation, and this reaction occurs according to Markovnikov rule. First proton, then what happen? In second step, attacking of nucleophile. What is nucleophile there? Nucleophile is water act as a nucleophile in this reaction. So in second step, carbocation formation. That carbocation is planar. We know sp2 hybridized. So this nucleophile can attack any side, on the top or bottom. We know water is a nucleophile. It can attack either top or bottom, and we have to show arrow mark towards electron rich system to deficient side. Then we get this step. This also a slow step, and we can represent like reversible reaction. Third step, what happen? In third step, removal of proton. In third step, what can we write? Removal of proton, or we can say deprotonation. Removal of proton or deprotonation. So in this third step, we will write here, in this alcohol, how can we get alcohol in this? Then removal of proton, because this oxygen positive charge, electron rich system, so it's a remove proton and we get alcohol. We find like this type alcohol, and again this H plus react with water, and this reaction going on continuous. So students, in this first step protonation of alkene, we get a carbocation. That carbocation Which carbocation is more stable? That according to, we know carbocation stability, 3 degree more stable, then secondary, then primary. So when in this type situation, if move towards second carbon, then get primary carbocation, that is less stable. So it's move towards first carbon, then we get secondary carbocation, that is more stable. So in unsymmetrical alkene, this addition of water according to Markovnikov rule occurs. And first step, attacking of proton, second attacking of nucleophile, and third step, removal of proton. This is very important mechanism. So note down in your notebook and revise 2-3 times, then you can write easily this mechanism. Next step, next method of preparation from alkene is known as hydroboration. Hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation reaction. So first we will explain what is hydroboration and then further oxidation. Since now again we take the example of unsymmetrical alkene like propene. In this addition reaction occurs, we want to diborane. Students, you know what is diborane? Writes as B2H6 and its monomer write like BS3 all twice. Diborane structure you all know like this. Diborane structure, electron deficient center. This like diborane and it is dissociate. So this easily can write as BS3. So in this BS3 addition we want to one carbon at boron, other we want hydrogen. So students, we know boron electronegativity is 2.0 means 2 and hydrogen electronegativity we know 2.1. So it means which one is more electronegative? Hydrogen. So hydrogen attached that carbon having lesser hydrogen, because this addition also according to Markovnikov rule. We want to addition at first boron and hydrogen, that known as hydroboration. This reaction occurs according to Markovnikov rule. Boron attached that carbon having more hydrogen. Why? It is less electronegative. So in first step the addition reaction occurs like this. In this boron is attached. So we get first compound means alkyl borane. 1 mole is addition. We can write this alkyl borane or we can say propyl borane. Further it's react 1 mole of a alkene. Why it is react further? Because 2 boron hydrogen bond also available, so it's react 2 mole further. So then further addition reaction, then boron hydrogen bond dissociate, again hydrogen attached that carbon having lesser hydrogen. It's follow according to Markovnikov rule, similar. So we can write here dialkyl borane. Dialkyl borane. First one is alkyl borane or we can write propyl borane. Dipropyl borane. Its name is particular example dipropyl borane. Further 1 boron hydrogen bond remaining. So it's further react 1 mole of alkene, that is propene. Again this boron hydrogen bond dissociate and we get trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane means tripropyl. We can write its name tripropyl borane. So students, this is known as hydroboration. First this reaction occurs because in borane BS3 3 boron hydrogen bond available, so its 3 mole addition reaction occurs. Then where is hydrogen attached? Hydrogen attached and second carbon. This follow according to Markovnikov rule. High electronegative element attached the carbon having lesser hydrogen. Then further we want to prepare alcohol. So it's further react with hydrogen peroxide. It's further react with hydrogen peroxide and in presence of sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide, means in presence of base react with hydrogen peroxide, so it is further oxidized. We know students hydrogen peroxide structure also. Hydrogen peroxide structure is chair shape, like this, chair shape hydrogen peroxide structure. So in this bond is dissociate and the addition reaction occurs and we get the alcohol, like this alcohol. OH attached on this CH2 because it is trialkyl borane. OH attached on this carbon atom, 3 atom. So we get CH3 like this, 3 mole alcohol. And boron, what happen? We get boric acid, like this. Means boric acid. This we can write as 3BO3. It's written as 3BO3, or we can write BOH all thrice, boric acid. This is known as boric acid, and this alcohol name is propane 1-ol, or we can say propanol. Since overall, if we observe overall what happened, from propene we get propane 1-ol, from propene we get propane 1-ol. Or we can say overall addition of water molecule according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Means in Markovnikov rule OH get attached that carbon having lesser hydrogen, but in this reaction first hydroboration occurs, that rule, and further oxidation. After oxidation we get 1-ol, OH attached that carbon, first carbon. And this is very important method of preparation, and we get very lot of yield in this product. So this reaction is very important in conversion, students. When you want OH group at first carbon, or according to addition reaction, anti-Markovnikov rule, so that known as hydroboration oxidation. If we again summarize, first addition of hydroboron, it's need 3 mole. Why? Because 3 boron hydrogen bond in monomer. So further oxidation, we required hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide we know can behave both oxidizing and reducing agent. It has chair shape, and aqueous sodium hydroxide, it dissociate these bonds and we get one side OH, other side also OH. So it is dissociate and we get boric acid and propane 1-ol. So this reaction is most important reaction of alcohol. So many times we get in this reaction conversion. Next method is from carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound. What do you mean by carbonyl compound? Carbonyl means those substance either aldehyde or ketone. This one is carbonyl. So either we can write aldehyde or ketone. Friends, how can we convert this compound into alcohols? So that reaction known as bi-reduction. Bi-reduction. For reduction, we need some reducing agent. So if a compound is aldehyde like this, then we get primary alcohol. We get primary alcohol in the after reduction. So what happen in reduction? We need, students, hydrogen and the catalyst either nickel or palladium or platinum. Out of these three, we can use only one, either nickel, palladium or platinum. That reaction known as catalytic hydrogenation. In this reaction, addition of hydrogen, so that known as reduction. So if you want to prepare directly aldehyde into alcohol, if the aldehyde, we get primary alcohol by aldehyde. If the compound is ketone, if compound is ketone, by reduction this reaction, we get secondary alcohol. We can find by ketone secondary alcohol. That this reaction known as catalytic reduction. For students, reduction we need some reagent. So you should remember what type of the reagent we need for reduction. So first reduction reducing agent is hydrogen in presence of either nickel, palladium or platinum, because we know nickel, palladium, platinum situated in periodic table in one group, that is 10th group. So this reaction known as catalytic hydrogenation, and we get if the aldehyde, then 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol, and if the compound is ketone, then we get secondary alcohol. That is very simple method. Other reagent for reducing agent we can use, that is sodium borohydride, a reducing agent, strong reducing agent. So in this reagent, reducing agent, reduce others, self-oxidize. So if this reagent we use any reaction, we get by that reaction reduction, strong reducing agent. Third, again another reducing agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride. This also acts as a strong reducing agent. If any reaction you notice hydrogen in presence of either nickel, palladium, platinum, that is a reduction reaction, or if any reagent use sodium borohydride, that also a reduction, lithium aluminium hydride also a reducing agent. But this reagent is highly expensive, so we use in a selective reactions, means if we need any reagent that is very important, that time we use lithium aluminium hydride. Otherwise we use hydrogen in presence of catalytic reagent, catalyst or sodium borohydride. Now we will prepare the alcohol from carboxylic acid and esters. From carboxylic acid, students, carboxylic acid how can we write? Like in this way. So if we want carboxylic acid into alcohol, then we have to select a very expensive reagent that known as lithium aluminium hydride. This reagent is very strong reducing agent. It reduces carboxylic acid into corresponding alcohol. Means we can get primary alcohol. When carboxylic acid reduced by strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride, then the product is primary alcohol. But this reagent is highly expensive, so we convert first carboxylic acid into ester. This carboxylic acid in industry we want convert into ester, and further we use that is cheaper reagent. So in 10th class we already discussed about how can we prepare ester, and next chapter also we will discuss how can we prepare ester. For in ester we need a carboxylic acid as well as a alcohol, that is already prepared alcohol. If we write alcohol as a test, so you know esterification reaction occurs also in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. In that acid, hydrogen is removed out from alcohol and OH removed from carboxylic acid. In presence of this reaction occurs in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. The detailed reaction we will discuss in carboxylic acid chapter. So what happen? We get ester. In this we can write this ester. So at first we prepare carboxylic acid into ester, then further reduction. This ester further reduce by using a suitable reagent. What type reagent? We can use now hydrogen in presence of either nickel or palladium or platinum. We can use either nickel, palladium or platinum because these are known as very suitable catalytic reagent situated in D block, F group number 10. So it is dissociate and we get after reduction primary alcohol like this. We get mixtures of primary alcohol. So this compound, this carbon also change into alcohol and this change into alcohol after reduction of ester. We can prepare directly carboxylic acid by using lithium aluminium hydride, although this is expensive reagent and we get primary alcohol, lesser amount. But if we convert this in industry carboxylic acid into ester by using alcohol and concentrate sulfuric acid, that reaction known as esterification. We will discuss later on in this reaction. And further, if the ester reduce in presence of catalytic hydrogenation, catalytic reduction, then we get alcohol. So these are some different methods. Now we will discuss from Grignard reagent how can convert different type alcohol. From Grignard reagent, very important reaction. In earlier chapter we discussed what is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent can represent like RMGX. RMGX means alkyl magnesium halide. In this alkyl and magnesium, that bond known as organometallic bond between carbon and metal bond. This bond is ionic nature. Why? Difference of electronegativity. So carbon electronegativity 2.5, magnesium 1.2. Shared electron move towards carbon side, so it bears negatively charged, and magnesium positive charge, and halogen you know negative. So that this covalent bond converts into partially ionic nature, so it's behave as a nucleophile. This carbon acts as a nucleophile, means carbanion. So now this Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound. And in this reaction we get all type of alcohol, primary, secondary, tertiary, all alcohol we can prepare by this reaction. So first we take the compound formaldehyde, means methanol, formaldehyde, meth and methanol means first aldehyde. When it's react with Grignard reagent RMgX, so what happen? This R has negative charge, act as a nucleophile. So first nucleophilic addition reaction occurs, this like reaction occurs because it is a planar geometry. This nucleophile can attack top or bottom. It is a planar sp2 hybridization. So we get such type compound in this reaction. H and R is react and further H. Oxygen bears negative charge in this. R is attack. So at negative, magnesium this side halide and ionic form. Further next step, that is known as hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means dissociate by water. Then what happen? It is separate out. React in water, in presence of water, this compound convert into alcohol. Means we get 1 degree alcohol, means primary alcohol. When formaldehyde or we can say methanol react with Grignard reagent, we can prepare 1 degree or primary alcohol, this one method. If we take other than any aldehyde, other than formaldehyde, any other aldehyde like RH, if we represent, and a Grignard reagent RMgX, if we take dash in this, so to differentiate R dash, then what happen? It's again negatively charged. Its attack means the first reaction is nucleophilic addition. We will discuss in aldehyde ketone chapter also. So we get the product in this reaction. Addition product first in this R, H and R dash, oxygen minus, means sp2 hybridized carbon change into sp3 and then mgx in negative charge. Further second step, hydrolysis. Similar, it separate out and we can find that is a secondary alcohol, means this one is secondary alcohol. Student notice, if we take any aldehyde, then we got secondary alcohol. If you take first aldehyde, that is methanol, then we get primary alcohol. If we use ketone, in ketone what happen? Ketone, you know, both side R or R may be same or different. Then a Grignard reagent RMgX again react, negative charge, so it acts as a nucleophile, then pi electron move towards oxygen side and this nature change. So we can find like this. R may be same or different, you can write all the R or mgx. This first step, second step, that known as hydrolysis, means reaction with water, and we can find that is tertiary alcohol. 3-degree alcohol. In tertiary alcohol, we have to take ketone. So now we summarize, when Grignard reagent attack on formaldehyde, means methanol, then we get primary alcohol. If it reacts on aldehyde other than formaldehyde, we get secondary alcohol. If they attack on ketone, then you get tertiary alcohol, and this reaction is very important in conversion. When you find different conversion, then use of this reaction is very important. So in this way, students, today method of preparation is finished. First method, hydration of alkene, that acid catalyzed hydration according to Markovnikov rule. Then next reaction is hydroboration oxidation. On that reaction also alkene, first addition of hydroborane, and then further in presence of hydrogen peroxide and base sodium hydroxide, it's convert corresponding alcohol. But that reaction you get overall anti-Markovnikov addition of water on alkene. Third reaction we will discuss, already discussed, from aldehyde or ketone by reduction reaction using normal reducing agent or strong reducing agent, that is sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. After that we studied that from carboxylic acid we can use the reagent lithium aluminum hydride, but that is expensive. But from ester we can easily reduce by a normal hydrogen and sodium, hydrogen in presence of catalyst, nickel, palladium or platinum. But last, most important, that is Grignard reagent. By this reaction we can find all type of alcohol, primary, secondary, tertiary. This reaction also from carbonyl compound, and this again we will discuss this same reaction in aldehyde ketone chapter. So students, this very simple reaction, first reaction is nucleophilic addition, then hydrolysis. So by this reaction you can find different numerical problem. We can resolve the problem very easily. So in this way today finish method of preparation. Tomorrow we will discuss preparation of phenols. So if you have any problem, then write in comment box. We will discuss in another video. Share the needy student, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.